Hello guys, I'm here, year 2025 and I am 23 years old from ZL Vihagan, and I know this will be so sound awkward, but manifestation 2025, this is the phase of 2025. So basically kakagraduate ko lang last June 2025, and now nagpe-prepare ako para sa mga exam, and hindi pa nakuha yung wala pa ko Siemens book. Maybe December pa makukuha yung Siemens book. Then for some reason now nagtuon ko karon for exam is Marlow Navigation, because I know manifestation is Marlow Navigation. Nothing is impossible with God, and alam kong kaya ko. I know pwede ko magawa yun, maging Marlow Navigation, and this is my advantage, and gagawin ko lahat para maano sa Marlow Navigation. And 2025 ngayon, so basically manifestation din to. I know 2025, maybe 10 years from now or a couple of years from now hindi pa ako nakasampa. I know 10 years from now or a lot of years from now, I'll prove myself. I'll be the best version of myself. I will not settle for less, and gagawin ko lahat. I know I will be an officer someday, maybe 10 years from now or a couple of years. I know magiging officer ako sa isang kumpanya. Hindi ko pa alam sa ngayon kasi 2025 pa ngayon, hindi pa ako nakasampa. No experience yet, but I know for a fact that with God nothing is impossible. So I'm gonna do my best. Now I've proved my best. I'll give everything. I've pushed my hard work, my best. Work smart, work hard, give everything, dedication. Passionate naman ako sa mga lahat na ginagawa ko. Maybe ngayon wala pa. I know 10 years from now, manifestation, I know I can be an officer. E pag naging officer na ako, lahat ng mga taong sumuporta sa akin para tumayo ako, lahat ng mga taong nagdala sa akin sa tuktok, tutulungan ko rin sila. I know for a fact, manifestation yun. And yes, sa ngayon wala pa talaga ako, since bago pa lang talaga, no experience yet, but I know for a fact that if you give your heart and if you trust God in the process, along the way, mangyayari yun. And I believe in God, and I know for a fact that kaya ko sa sarili ko, capable ako sa mga gawain. I mean, capable ako of my things, my part. I know I can give my best. I know may lalabas pa yung best ko, and I can prove that, and I want to embrace my full potential. I will not settle for less. I'll be at my best, and 10 years from now, I'll be an officer. I will be an officer in hindi ko pa alam kung anong kumpanya, pero I will be officer. Manifestation yun. Lahat ng tumulong sa akin, kayo, makaka-benefits kayo. And dito, this is the start of my dream. And now, wala pa ngayon, pero I know for a fact, in the God's process, God's perfect timing, ihatag na tanan. And for now, sa kanya ako sa kanya ako kumukuha ng lakas ng loob. At for now, nagtuon ako sa exam para sa Marlow Navigation this November 10. So hopefully God will agree to me, and hopefully ma-align yung plano ni God at plano ko. 10 years from now, magiging officer ako. At mababago ito with my dedication, hard work, and I will embrace my full potential. Lahat ng mga tumulong sa akin, kayo, you have a great impact in me, and gagawin ko lahat. I will prove myself. I'll be the best version of me. For now, nagsisimula pa lang ako. Lord, just give me good health, okay, knowledge, skills, wisdom, anything that I need, and grasya si Mama, and more years for Mama, and yeah, 2025, and I know This will be a quadra. 10 years or a lot of years from now, I'll be an officer. Promise you that. I'll give my best. I'll embrace my full potential. I'll grow no matter what happens. I'll push myself to be the best version. Still, continue to grow every single day. That's it. 2025. This is the face of 2025. Boom. Manifestation. Officer 10 years from now. Or a couple years.